Hey guys, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you the Harris Float Boat 2019 220 Solstice. This boat is definitely decked out, has a lot of great features. First I want to point out to you is the front area of the boat. It does have these loungers on both sides, and under all of these loungers is storage. So I'll show you this first compartment here. Tons of room in here. All the water that drains over the side of the seats does go in these channels and overboard. That's a good feature because it keeps everything nice and dry in there. Next thing I want to point out is the JL Audio subwoofer. So this does have an upgraded sound package. Stereo quality sound. It's definitely great. You can listen to all your jams and be cruising top speed on the boat and still hear everything crystal clean. Next thing I'll point out is this port entry and exit gate. This opens up right here. It makes it super convenient to dock the boat so you can get in and out of the boat with ease. From there, we'll go to the helm. One thing I do want to point out is the lighted cup holders. There's also lights underneath the seats. This is RGB lighting, so it does change colors. You can leave it on one color or it rotates. So at the helm, we do have the Simrad Go 5. This is an all-in-one display. It shows you depth finder, navigation, chart plotter, all that good stuff. The bezels, the instrumentation have chrome bezels in it, have a very clean look. Then also I'll show you the JL Audio head unit and the tilt steering wheel. So back here, this boat was optioned with a single rear lounger, so this rotates forward and back depending on which direction that you guys want to be facing. You can stay up here in the shade, or you can be back here in the sun catching those rays and getting your tan on. So we'll go to the back of the boat and I'll show you. This boat is equipped with a 225 horsepower Mercury. It does also have a swim step. It says not a step, but what you do is you fold this in the water, and it's something that you can swim up to and board and exit the boat. From there, we do have our ski tow. You can pull skiers, wakeboarders, tubers. Then we also have our extra wide ladder down there. Also, two more things I'd like to point out. There's tons of room in here. This boat does come with 8.8-inch fenders, keep you off the dock and nice and safe. Then the speakers and the transom of the boat. So everyone that's riding on either a wakeboard or tube or whatnot will definitely hear the music too. You guys, this is Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston. Come by and see us soon.